Hi, in front of me I have Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one with the moon on it. Let's tap on this icon, and now we have a couple of options. We have Enable Now, Enable in Smart Mode, and Enable in Custom Mode. Of course, the first option, Do Not Enable, is basically if you select this option, the Do Not Disturb mode will be disabled. If you select Enable Now, it's gonna be enabled until you disable it. If you enable the Do Not Disturb mode in Smart Mode, it's gonna be turning on automatically, I believe during the workouts and stuff like that. And enable the custom mode. Here you can basically make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. So select the time period in which it's gonna be turning on and turning off. And to do it, select the option, the custom option, then tap on this arrow right here. And now you can customize the start time or set the start time by tapping on the arrows right here. Let's set it to something maybe like 10:30. Like this, then tap the arrow to continue, and now we can set the end time. So let's set it to something like 6 maybe, and then tap the check mark. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 6 a.m. Okay, and like I said before, to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply select the Do Not Enable option, like this. You can tell that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled by icon changing the color, and also, no, it doesn't show on the main screen, so basically the icon will change the color. And also you can see what type of Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on the icon. So if you have the custom one, you will have this clock next to the icon, and if you have the normal one, it's gonna be only the icon. Okay, and that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.